Everybody, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Clearscore app. So first thing you need to do is download the Clearscore app from your App Store or Play Store. So simply open any of them and then go to search bar and simply search Clearscore. From there simply install this application Clearscore Credit Score Check and then open it. So this is how it going to look like. From here simply click on this create new account. Now here simply enter your email, so simply, and then from here simply select the country where are you signing up from. Simply click on this continue button, and once you do that it will send a verification code to your email address, and then enter the verification code in this application, and then it will ask you for your personal details such as your name, last name, date of birth. So simply fill up all these details, and after this it will verify your identity. So provide one of your government issued ID, and then they will verify your ID, and once they do that you will be able to see your credit score on the home screen. So that is how you can use Creditscore app. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.